Spartans! What is your profession?
Now, as then, a beast approaches, patient and confident, savoring the meal to come. This beast is made of men and horses, swords and spears. An army of slaves, vast beyond imagining, ready to devour tiny Greece, ready to snuff out the world's one hope for reason and justice. A beast approaches.
Spartans!
Children, gather round. No retreat, no surrender. That is Spartan law. And by Spartan law, we will stand and fight and die. A new age has begun. An age of freedom.
Just when you thought you were about to give up.
Binigay po sa akin ng Royal Business Club. Nahit ko rin po yung incentive papuntang Europe. Even your wildest dream, kahit hindi mo pinapangarap, may bibigyan ng Royal Business Club sa'yo. Dubai, Spain. Imagine mo kanina nasa Dubai kami, ngayon nasa Spain naman.
Kagabi nasa Manila tayo.
Sobrang sarap ng buhay ng isang
Iba nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa, pagdating sa Pilipinas, nagbabakasyon, pag realista baliktad. Nagtatrabaho kami sa Pilipinas, pag medyo napagod kami, pumupunta kami ng ibang bansa para magbakasyon.
Kaya dapat humataw ka ng todo para next time magkakasama tayo.
11th anniversary Barcelona.
Come away with me in the night.
Thank you for celebrating with us here in Barcelona. Sobrang nakakatuwa kasi hindi ko expected na mapapanood ko yung mukha ko dito sa Barcelona ngayon. Pero grabe, yung mukha ko na yan, wala pang pangkain nun eh. Kaya medyo talagang naghihirap ang buhay namin before. Pero because of Royal, tingnan mo naman yung itsura ko sa itsura nun. Ay ba? Diba? Dahil lang yan sa Royal. Experience ko, at least nasa ibang bansa kami ngayon nasa-celebrate ng 11th anniversary namin. If you work together as couples, nothing will be impossible. Dati nagtatrabaho si Mrs. sa call center. Ako walang ginagawa sa bahay, but because of this business, nabago ang buhay namin. Wala akong masasabi dito kundi ako nang panalo. Sa Burnham Park lang tayo nagkaganito, pero ngayon nandito tayo sa Amsterdam.
It all started with a dream of having a better life for him and for his family. To pursue that dream, he tried many things. Yet the dream was still elusive and seemed to be out of reach. Until God gave him the perfect opportunity to achieve his dream. That opportunity was Royal Business Club. He made a decision. That decision changed his life forever. On March 2009, he officially became a Royalista. Then everything started to fall into place. The dream started to become a reality. A reality that at first he never imagined possible. Then his dreams began to manifest. After 6 months in Royal, a brand new Mitsubishi Montero After 1 year in Royal, all expense paid trips in Asia, Middle East, and recently 9 countries in Europe. Who would ever think that a college undergraduate, a young skinny boy, would turn out to be the man he is today? The truth is real. With God, nothing is impossible. And with Royal, everything is possible.
It all started from believing. Marami akong kinausap na tao, especially yung mga malapit sa buhay ko, like yung mami ko, yung mga kamag-anak ko. Pero sila po yung mga unang nag-discourage sa akin. 2 years pa lang po ako sa Royal. Pero yung tatrabahuin ko ng 20 years sa labas, mga kaibigan, kinita ko dito in 2 years time. So nung nakita ko yung vision, pwede ako yumaman sa negosyo ng Royal. Sabi ko gagawin ko to kahit na gaano kahirap. Pero nagiging madali po ang lahat. It's because of the people behind this business, especially the management. Kaya nung nakita ko ang Royal, hindi ko na pinaglagpas yung opportunity. Sabi ko kung ito yung makapagpabago ng buhay ko, gagawin ko lahat. Kahit brat panty ibebenta ko, basta importante mabago buhay ko. Pag pinanatili mo yung duda mo, baka maging kaduda-duda buhay mo. Pagka ikaw medyo natatakot ngayon, baka maging katakot-takot buhay mo. So bottom line, you have to counter your fear and doubt. After 6 months of doing the business, nabili ko po dito yung brand new Mitsubishi Montero. After few months lang po, na-qualify po ako sa travel incentive ng Royal. I was able to travel abroad. Nakapunta po ako ng Hong Kong. 1 week po yun, libre, all expenses paid ng company. After ng Hong Kong po na travel incentive na binigay sa akin ng Royal Business Club, na-hit ko rin po yung travel incentive going to Europe. Imagine nyo po, 9 countries po ang inikot namin. Pumunta po kami ng Europe, wala po kaming ginawa doon kundi mag-enjoy lang. At pagbalik namin ng Pilipinas, yung income 250,000 per week, nandun pa rin. So nakakatuwa po kasi right now, I'm averaging about 250,000 linggo-linggo. Every Thursday po. Ganito lang negosyo natin, chika-chika lang. Pagdating ng Thursday, cheque-cheque na naman. Nabili ko rin po dito yung 3-bedroom condo unit ko sa Manila. Kasi every time na pupunta ako Manila, nag-hotel lang po ako. Kaya nung kumita po ako ng malaki sa Royal, nakakatuwa po, nakabili na rin po ako dito ng isang condo unit, 3-bedroom. Yung pag-aaral ng mga anak ko, kahit papano, napag-aral ko po sila sa magandang eskwelahan. Diba? Na kung saan dati hindi ko nararanasan yun kasi ako po yung tipong taong mahirap lang pero punong-puno ng pangarap.
Today, this man's dream remains, but his vision is no longer for him alone, but for everyone who is ready to have a better life.
Ako po si Lian Paulo Carvajal, from Royal Business Club. Being a nurse by profession, doing nothing po, tambay po, kesa po mag-volunteer po ako, kesa po magtrabaho po ako sa mga hospital without pay. Dahil lang po sa simpleng invitation po ni Mr. Adrian Alibin, nagawa at nabago ko po lahat ng ito. Doing Royal Business Club for almost 4 to 5 months siguro, okay, yung pwede ko pong kitain abroad as a nurse, kinita ko na po dito sa negosyong to. Sa Royal, makukuha mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Pag Royal ka, payaman ka, I'm proud to be Royal.
It changed my life, it changed their life, and I will guarantee you, it will also change your life.
Today, his dream is all about him helping others experience their own dreams too. To be a kingmaker who can conquer all obstacles to make their own dreams come to pass.
Royal Business Club, the best business opportunity that can change your life. I'm proud to be Royal.
Tatak Royalista!
This is his vision. This is his passion. Now is the time to dream, decide, experience. Ladies and gentlemen, let's proudly welcome the leader of the Dream Team Spartans, Supremo, Mr. Adrian Mark Alibin.